Hello and a very warm welcome back to Maths Plus. Today we are doing the Leaving Cert 2015 ordinary level volumes. Okay, so first of all we need to get the radius of this tank. The diameter is 12 meters, therefore the radius is half the diameter at 6 meters. Part 2, find the volume of the tank. So the volume of the tank is the volume of a sphere. So volume of sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Okay, so this is on page 10 of your logs tables. Alright, so let's substitute everything in. Just be careful with the radius always. That is not the diameter, so it's 6 cubed. Use your calculator and we will get 904.778. We are rounding to the nearest meters cubed, so it will be 905 meters cubed. On to the next part. So the company paints the outside of the curved surface. The surface area formula is 4 pi r squared. Okay, this is on page 10 also of your logs. Alright, so let's substitute everything in. In this case we're going to square the radius, and we will get a result of 452.38. So we're going to round that to 2 decimals, or from 2 to 1, so it's going to be 0.4, and the unit will be meters and the dimension is square. Okay, so part 2 is the painting, which will cover 3.5 meters squared per liter. How many liters is required? So divide in your coverage for 1 liter. Okay, so we'll get this 129.25 liters required, and again round that to the nearest whole number, 129. Okay, finally we would like to cost how much it will paint. Each tin will cost 25 liters. So as 25 liters will be divided by the 129 into the 129, and let's see what we get. So we're going to get 6. Okay, because 5.17 is rounded up to 6. Let's multiply out our cost now. So 180 by 6 is 1080 euros. It's the total cost. Okay, pretty straightforward there. The next part is that we have a new tank, but it has the same volume. This is very important to identify this. It's the same volume, and the original volume of the sphere was 905. Okay, so let's write that in. Okay, as we need to use this to find a new value, which will be h. So first of all we need to get the hemisphere over at the side. So a hemisphere is half a sphere, so you just write it like this: half a sphere. We know that it was 4 over 3 for a sphere pi r cubed. So the volume of a hemisphere, we call it VH, is equal to 2 over 3 pi r cubed. Let's look at this shape. It has a radius of 4.5. So we use this, substitute everything in, use your calculator for one full calculation, and we will get 190.85. Again, this is rounded to the nearest cubic meter, so volume of the hemisphere is 191 meters cubed, and that's the answer. Okay, so we can use this in C part 2, so we have to find the length h of the cylindrical section. So let's look back at where is h. Okay, so we need to find this. So that's a cylinder. Okay, so the volume for the cylinder is pi r squared h. Okay, and also we're going to have the two semi hemispheres on either side, so they're going to like be doubled up. Okay, so let's see, let's put all this into a balance. Okay, so I'm going to write a word here, balance. Okay, this is the most important concept here, because the 905 of the original volume is balanced with the summation of the new volumes. Okay, so we are going to have 2 by 191 for the two ends, plus pi r squared is 4.5 squared, and the h is the unknown. So we're going to have to use algebra here. Okay, you got to depend on your algebra. So let's do the addition and subtraction first. Okay, so the 905 and the 2 by 191, so that's 382 over there. Subtract that on the left. Okay, and that's equal to pi by 4.5 squared. Okay, just leave it like that for now. And we just want h. Okay, so as you know, we can divide both sides by the pi r squared. So 905 minus 382 all over pi by 4.5 squared. Leave the h on the right hand side, that's the unknown, and we will get a result of 8.22, and one decimal place is 8.2 meters. Okay, units. And let's go back and check, does that make sense? So yes, it does, because 4.5 is the radius and this is proportionally. Okay, correct. Okay, I hope you found this helpful. So like and subscribe if you like this video, because there will be many other videos coming forward, and thank you for watching.